we get to like 5,000 subscribers before the middle of this year, I'll rebuild this crusty ass one and I'll put it in a car. Let's get it. Welcome back to the channel, fellers and fellettes. As you saw in the last part, or maybe you didn't see it, go watch it. We got the first engine running. It's all snazzy and it runs good. It's nice and snappy. So, second engine, a little bit of a different story. The bearings ain't looking too good. Cylinders 1 and 4 were pretty gross. It doesn't have the factory forged pistons in it. It has sealed power, 20 over hyper pistons in it. Hyper Eutechnic. I don't really know how you say that word. Roast me in the comments. But the crankshaft, the old crankshaft, it gets worse the further you go down. So the crank's gonna need to be resized. Gonna need to get bearings. Gonna need to get rings. Gonna need to do a little bit more work to this one. But, you know, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. It'll be this thing running. It won't take too long. You know me. Catch you in the next one.